Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete professional method to remove the BIOS password from a Lenovo G580 laptop. Before we start, it is very important to clearly mention a disclaimer. This video is made strictly for educational and research purposes only. The method shown in this video is an advanced chip-level BIOS programming process. So do not attempt this without proper technical knowledge, professional tools, and the legal permission of the laptop owner. I will not be responsible for any damage, data loss, or motherboard failure caused by improper handling. First of all, I power on the laptop to demonstrate the actual problem. As you can see, when I try to enter the BIOS setup, the laptop immediately asks for a BIOS password. Because the password has been forgotten, it is not possible to access the BIOS settings. Some Lenovo models allow easy solutions like CMOS reset or backdoor passwords. But unfortunately, Lenovo G580 does not support those simple methods. In this model, the only reliable solution is to reprogram the BIOS firmware directly from the BIOS chip. Now, let's move toward the practical work. First, I completely power off the laptop, remove the charger and battery, and then carefully open the laptop body. This step must be done gently to avoid damaging connectors or flex cables. Once the motherboard is exposed, the most important task is identifying the correct motherboard model and BIOS chip. This identification is critical because we must download a fully compatible BIOS firmware. Flashing the wrong or incompatible firmware can permanently damage or dead the motherboard. For your convenience, the correct BIOS firmware bin file for this Lenovo G580 model is provided in the video description, along with a WhatsApp contact number for further guidance. The next step is removing the BIOS chip from the motherboard. If you have a reworkstation, that is always the safest and most professional option. If a reworkstation is not available, a soldering iron can also be used, but it requires extreme care and experience. In my case, I am using a portable rework soldering station. I have set the temperature to 450 degrees Celsius and the airflow level to number 6. Once the solder points are properly melted, I gently lift the BIOS chip using a tweezer without applying any force. After removing the chip, I allow it to cool down and then clean it properly to remove any excess solder. Now, we begin the BIOS programming process. For this task, you need a PC or laptop and a BIOS programmer. There are different programmers available in the market. The CH341A is a low-cost option and works fine for many users, while the RT809F is more expensive but highly reliable and professional. I am using the RT809F programmer. First, I install the programmer software on my computer. Then, I place the BIOS chip into the programmer adapter, carefully checking the chip direction and notch orientation, because installing the chip in the wrong direction can damage it. After that, I connect the programmer to the computer using a USB cable. Once the software is opened, I start by identifying the BIOS chip in the software so the correct IC is selected. After that, I read the existing BIOS firmware and save it as a backup file. This backup step is extremely important because it allows recovery in case something goes wrong. After saving the backup, I erase the chip completely. Then, I open the newly downloaded BIOS firmware bin file in the software and proceed with the right process. During this stage, it is very important not to disconnect the programmer or interrupt the process. Once the writing process is completed and verified successfully, I safely remove the chip from the programmer. Next, I carefully solder the BIOS chip back onto the motherboard, making sure the orientation is correct and there are no dry joints or short circuits. After soldering, I visually inspect the solder joints to ensure everything is perfect. Now, I reassemble the laptop, reconnect the battery and charger, and power it on. As you can see, the laptop now enters the BIOS setup without asking for any password. The BIOS password has been successfully removed, and all BIOS functions are fully accessible again. So friends, this is the complete professional method to remove the BIOS password from a Lenovo G580 using BIOS chip programming. Once again, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only, and this method should never be used on unauthorized or stolen laptops. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more professional laptop repair and chip-level tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.